This is a fun Saturday morning. Oh my goodness. So let me show you what I got for you. So we're starting into the cashmeres. Beautiful, beautiful, well priced for cashmeres. This is a coating. It's a navy. Just your basic, great, outstanding cashmere. This is Sally LaPointe. It is just a really firm, it's coating. It's just a really firm, it's like 4 ounce. It's beautiful. Obviously reversible for a cape would be stunning. I'm not sure what else to say except don't let it go away, because I don't get them. People always say to me after the fact, remember you had that, it goes. All right, and this is a ribbing. This is 100%. I'm going to call it a milk color, but it's a really nice weight. It's not a thin ribbing. It's perfect for the edges of capes. You could do simply a whole cape out of it, a whole garment out of it. It's really beautiful. 100% cotton, great weight, and it's a ribbing. It's milk color. Then this is 100% cotton. This is a very fine, 100% cotton. It's a beautiful black. It's a woven, but it's a stretch woven with stretch in both directions, which is rare. Now I'm putting these fabrics up really for 1900. We have a webcast this Tuesday, and these are fabrics that would just do really well, either for the jacket or complementary to the jacket. Suits are back in, so if you decide to do a whole suit out of the black, the pants, jacket, this would work for both. Really pretty this black is. This is a tangerine, this is Sally LaPointe, tangerine faux snake. It's a stretch woven, a stretch in one direction, which obviously the snake would run up and down. It's got a little bit of a stripe to it, or the jacket. It could be either one. She did both. Love it. It's a cotton poly, great drape. Amazing drape. It's light, so you think, oh, it can't do pants, but it could do really anything. It really, the drape is wonderful on it. I put this with it because it just matches really beautifully. This is it's got stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. And again, great drape and great pairing. A little bit darker, that would just really look beautiful. This is a cashmere. It's kind of a smoky blue-gray, a Wedgwood blue. It's beautiful. Again, Sally LaPointe on this. Both sides are usable. Beautiful cape. So obviously I know you know these yardages are limited. We're getting a little bit into pre-fall, and the fabrics are gorgeous, just absolutely stunning. So, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.